Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I am going to make a dessert that is probably on most every Southern table, but I'm going to admit I have never made this and I have never had it. So it is called a strawberry pretzel salad. It's a dessert. My neighbor, Beth, a dear friend, she gave me the recipe for this, and it was in one of the little church cookbooks, like I think we all had growing up. Everybody threw a recipe in and they bound it up and sold them. But I want to make this today, and I don't know if you've had it or not. You probably have, and if you hadn't, I hope you enjoy seeing how I do this one. So in my bowl here, I have got 2 cups of crushed pretzels. This is our crust. And I have got 3 cups of granulated sugar. We're just going to pour it right here. Now, my oven is preheated to 400 degrees, and I have a 9x13 casserole dish that we're going to be making this in. Now, I have a stick and a half or 3/4 of a cup of melted butter. Got to have butter, y'all. And this is going to stick it all together, and it's going to be so good. What we want to do now, I want to get all that butter out, is we're going to stir this up. Now, that butter is warm from the microwave where I just heated it up, melted it. So it's going to melt that sugar. But in that sugar, the sweet from the sugar and the salty from those pretzels are just going to mix together, and sweet and salty. Oh my goodness. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to press this into the bottom of this baking dish. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's not going to be a very thick crust. And I'm sure you can always double it if you want to. Looking at it, I might have wished I had doubled it. I'm going to get in here with my hands, y'all. Oh, looky there. Okay, now I'm going to put it in this oven. Like I said, it's preheated to 400 degrees. And I'm going to bake it probably about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out and I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes. Then we're going to come back and we're going to get on with making this, okay? Okay, look at this beautiful crust. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't wait to get into that. But we got to make a filling. But we want an 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. Now, I set this out this morning so it'd be soft for us. And it'll be easier to mix up. Let's see. Get it right here in this bowl. Yeah, let's get it all. Let's use our little spatula here and rake off the rest of it. Okay, and as I get it all over me, y'all, my goodness gracious. Okay, but I want a cup of sugar to go in this cream cheese. It's not sweet. Okay, 1 cup of sugar, and we're going to cream this up till it's really smooth. So y'all give me a minute while I do this, okay? Okay, yeah, we got that done. Now I have an 8-ounce carton of Cool Whip topping. This is store brand, and it's just fine. It's just as good as the name brand. And we're going to fold this right into this cream cheese and sugar. Now, what I'm going to do, y'all tell me I probably shouldn't, but I am. This mixture will go so low that I'm just going to use it to fold it right in. Okay, but I want to get all that off of my beaters. Pop's not in here, or I could get him to taste test it with me. But who doesn't like whipped topping, right? But I want to use my spatula and make sure all of that is mixed up from the bottom. And I see it's not. So we're going to get this all creamed in here, folded in here, I'm trying to say. Okay, now this beautiful crust we made, here's what we're going to do. Looky here. My goodness gracious, y'all. Sadly, this has got to sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to set up. Isn't it spreading out so pretty? Oh my goodness. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, now we've got one more layer to put on here. I have 2 boxes, 3-ounce boxes of strawberry Jell-o. I'm going to put them right here in this bowl. Yeah, I don't know if this bowl's big enough. Let's get a little bigger one. I'm just afraid it's not going to be big enough because we got to add strawberries. Okay, so I'm going to add both packets of this Jell-o. And 2 cups of boiling water. I have 2 cups in my kettle here. Okay, now we're just going to stir this around and dissolve it. Doesn't take long to dissolve gelatin in hot water. Now, but the recipe calls for 2 10-ounce packages of frozen strawberries sliced. I couldn't find 2 10-ounce packages. I have 2 16-ounce packages. So what we're going to do is use all of one, because we need 20 ounces. All of one and some of the other. Now this is just thawed. It's not it's not completely frozen, but it's not completely thawed out either, y'all. That might have been a little more. Pop will eat what we don't use. He'll probably put it over some ice cream. Okay, so let's move some of this stuff. Okay. Now, just stir this around. You don't need cold water with this because your strawberries are serving as the cold. We're going to gently pour it over our cream cheese mixture. Now you can use fresh strawberries, slice them up, put them in your freezer, and it'll serve the same purpose. They'll be frozen, and you should get the same effect. Okay. Now, did we get all of that? We did. Now, I'm going to get this in the refrigerator, and I'm going to let this sit up, a couple of hours. I want it set. I want this Jell-o set. So it should be set up in a couple of hours. And then we're going to give it a taste test. Depending on how late it is, it might be tomorrow because I'm starting to run out of daytime today. But anyway, we're going to get it as soon as we can. So let me get this in the refrigerator, and as soon as we can try it, I'll be back with you, okay? Yeah, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? You could just smell it. Open my refrigerator and it smells like strawberries. It is just delicious. But I want to taste it. Now, it's been in the fridge for a couple of hours or more because we had our dinner, and then I decided it's time to taste our dessert. Yeah. You know, the prettiest. First piece is not the prettiest. Doesn't matter though, right? Oh, this first piece is pretty, y'all. Looky there. Y'all see those layers? The strawberry, the pretzels, the cream cheese. Oh my goodness gracious. Looky there. Isn't that beautiful? I can't wait to taste it because I told y'all I have never had this before. And I know I'm going to like it. Everything. Strawberries, Jell-o, pretzels, cream cheese. What have I been missing? Oh my goodness. Y'all, why didn't y'all tell me about this earlier? Those strawberries are just sweet enough with this Jell-o, and that was just enough sugar and that cream cheese and the pretzels to not be overly sweet, but just delicious. Yeah. That is so good. I've got to take Pop a piece of this. He is going to love that. Looky there. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see in there like that. That is so good. I hope you'll make this if you haven't. Tell me if you've ever had this before, if you've ever made it. And I'm so surprised that all my years, all my life, living in the South, I have never had this dessert. How's that happened? Anyway, I hope y'all make it. And I hope you're going to come back and visit with me again soon, because I so enjoy having each and every one of you here with me. I hope you'll like, share, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, hit that notification bell so you'll know when we put out another video. And please remember, we have 2 cookbooks. I will get around to the 3rd one eventually, I promise. I've got to slow down a little bit. And it's summertime, so we're going to be canning soon. But anyway, y'all, I'll have a link in the description box below this video. Go to the title, you'll see more. Click on it, it'll open that description box up, and you'll find the link. And along with the cookbooks, you're going to see our new merchandise. Hot pads, oven mitts. Look at this coffee mug. I'm so in love with this coffee mug. Look at there, isn't that beautiful? And hand towels. Looky here. So you can buy them in a bundle. You can buy a towel and a mitt and a cookbook. You can buy a coffee mug and a cookbook or 2. But right now, you have to act quickly. The cookbooks are on sale, and they're $20 each. Or you can get 2, mix them up however you want for $35. And but they'll be going off sale soon, so y'all need to grab them quickly. But anyway, thanks for joining me today, and I hope you'll come back because I so enjoy having each and every one of you. I'll see you soon.